Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make instant corn Rava Uthappam. Very easy and an instant recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add half cup of corn rava, half cup of rice flour, a tablespoon of curd and quarter teaspoon of salt. Mix it well with a spoon. Now start to add little water at a time and mix it well. We're looking for a thick dosa batter consistency, so add water accordingly. Now we have the perfect consistency, so let this rest for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and our instant corn Rava Uthappam batter is now ready. Heat a dosa tawa and pour in a ladle full of instant corn Rava Uthappam batter and spread it a little using the same ladle. Drizzle a teaspoon of oil or ghee and let this cook for a minute in medium flame. After a minute, drizzle a teaspoon of Idli Podi on top. I've already made a video on how to make Idli Podi at home. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it. Now it's well cooked and ready. So remove the Uthappam from the dosa tawa and a delicious corn Rava Uthappam is now ready. Serve it nice and hot with some sambar and chutney and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy and an instant recipe. So do try this corn Rava Uthappam recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.